Hi friends, hope you're doing good. Welcome. Here at KHK 360, we talk about the entire spectrum of jump ropes out there in the market. We talk about premium, top quality jump ropes like Crossrope, which are well known for their quality, durability, and their fantastic lifespan. At the same time, we talk about affordable yet great value for money jump ropes. In today's video, we'll be talking about one such affordable, great value jump rope. Not long ago, I had shared a video on top 10 jump ropes under rupees 500 or $6. Many of you found that video very useful, and thank you very much for the support. By the way, friends, the cap I'm wearing, I hope the camera catches it well, is a cap which Crossrope had sent across to me. That was to celebrate a fantastic milestone I had crossed, which is 1 million jumps with the Crossrope amp and the Crossrope app. I had posted a short video. I'll link it somewhere in the video. Check it out in case you didn't check it. I really like this very nice gesture from Crossrope. The rope that we'll be talking today, in my opinion, would be a strong contender for a top spot in that list of affordable, great value jump ropes to buy under rupees 500 or $6. The reason I had set the cutoff at rupees 500 or $6 is the feeling I have that the $6 or rupees 500 is a great price point for a majority of us in terms of a great value jump rope. One super aspect about this list of 10 jump ropes under rupees 500 or $6 is that if you look around, you will see similar or same jump ropes which are sold in different markets at a significantly higher price premium or a price point. Like same ropes or similar ropes sold at $25, $30 or even touching $50. So these 10 ropes which I had spoken in the previous video under $6 are great value for money jump ropes. Before we jump into the video, I would like to do a quick shout out to one of our viewers, Vishal Gowda. It is purely because of his enthusiasm, energy, and big time follow-up that this video is coming out. Vishal had strongly recommended and pushed me to buy and try this jump rope and come and talk about it. So that is what we'll be doing today. Thank you, Vishal. The rope we'll be talking about today is the Athverv Pro Boxer jump rope. It is not only Vishal, there are a few other viewers also in the comment section who had left comments asking me to check out this jump rope. So I'm happy to have bought the rope and tried it out, and I'm more than happy to share my first impressions and views on this jump rope. So we'll be talking about the Athverv Pro Boxer jump rope. First things first, I bought this rope on Amazon India, and I think I paid 469 Indian rupees. If this number is not right, I'll put it as a caption on the video with the accurate amount. I think I paid 469 Indian rupees because I'm a prime customer with Amazon. I didn't have to pay any shipping. That was the price of the rope, including the shipping cost. This is the box in which the rope comes. Neat and attractive packaging. Almost looks like a packaging of a new generation phone. This is what we see inside the box. I've already unboxed it, hence looking a little bit unorganized. The rope comes neatly coiled in this plastic bag. Other than the rope, we have some marketing material. And what I like the most
is this included storage bag. I don't see many people, especially in this price point, adding these useful accessories. Well done to Athverv. Coming to the rope, this is a 5mm PVC jump rope. And right away, the material feels premium. If you have used PVC ropes before, you will know that not all 5mm PVC ropes are made the same. Some feel lighter, some feel heavier, some feel more stretchier, or even a bit laggy when spinning. But this one stands out. It feels smooth, firm, and slightly heavier. In fact, the website of Athverv says that this rope is 15% heavier than normal PVC jump ropes. I don't have an access to a mini scale, so I haven't checked that. But in my hands, certainly yes, I can confirm it feels heavier than most of the 5mm PVC jump ropes that I have used. This slight heaviness gives it a nice momentum and minimal kinks. Of course, I'm not testing this in a lab, just sharing what I have felt from actually using it. Like most PVC ropes, you can adjust the length by using the cap and stopper provided here. I have posted short videos on how to adjust the length in the channel also. I don't like to cut the ropes to shorten them. What I prefer is adding knots, specifically the figure 8 knot. In fact, I have posted a couple of short videos on how to tie this figure 8 knot also. It's available in the channel. Do check it out in case you are interested. Coming to the handles, a few things which I really liked are: 1. The smooth curved outlet from where the rope exits the handle. This helps prevent fraying or cutting of the rope at that point. 2. The tapered shape and the contoured grip. It sits comfortably in my hand with a natural thumb rest position also. And overall, the handles feel sturdy and durable, like they can take a beating during intense sessions. And I also like the fact that the company name Athverv is engraved on the handle and not a paint job. Overall, looks and feels very good and stylish.
So friends, that was a quick video on the Athverv Pro Boxer jump rope. My first impressions and first views based on the limited number of jumps that I have done is very good. It clearly stands out as a good quality jump rope in the sub $6 or 500 price category. It is a jump rope which punches significantly higher than the price point it is selling at. I hope you liked this video and you found it useful and it helps you in your purchase research and purchase decision. Till I see you in the next video, as usual, enjoy your jumps, stay safe, take care, and bye-bye. Till I see you in the next video, as usual, enjoy your jumps, stay safe, take care, and bye-bye.